In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a coming soon page on Wix using Wix Studio, step by step. This is perfect if you're launching a new website, product, or service and want a clean, professional placeholder page live quickly. You don't need any design experience, and the entire process only takes a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and open Wix Studio. Once you're inside your project dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you manage your pages. Click on the Pages option so you can see all the existing pages on your site. From here, we're going to add a brand new page specifically for the Coming Soon layout. Now, click on Add New Page. Wix Studio will give you a few different options for page types and templates. For this tutorial, we're keeping things simple, so select Empty Page. This gives you a blank canvas and full control over how your Coming Soon page looks. Once you click Empty Page, the new page will be added to your site and automatically open in the editor. With your empty page open, the next step is to add text. Go to the Add Elements option, usually shown as a plus icon in the editor. Click on it, then navigate to Text. Under Text options, choose Text Headline. This is ideal for a Coming Soon page because it's bold, clear, and immediately grabs attention. After adding the text headline to your page, click directly on the text element to edit it. Highlight the default text and replace it with the words Coming Soon. You can customize this however you like. You can change the font style, adjust the size, modify the color, and align it to the center of the page to make it look more polished. Take a moment to position the text exactly where you want it on the page so it looks clean and balanced. If you want to go a step further, you can also add a short subtitle, a launch date, or even a sign-up message below the main headline. But for a basic Coming Soon page, the headline alone is more than enough to let visitors know that something new is on the way. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes. Then preview the page to see how it will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site so your Coming Soon page is live. And that's it. You've successfully created a Coming Soon page on Wix using Wix Studio. This is a simple but powerful way to build anticipation before your full website launches. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.